Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the getting to know about plants. So, you know well, in our environment there are green factories. Green factories, they release oxygen taken in carbon dioxide. These green factories, these green plants are different in their size, whether they may be smaller herbs, they may be slight tall plants, and they are having a strong and hard stem like the rose, bougainvillea, right? So, in such kind of the plants known as shrubs, and there are a number of the trees, large trees, two long trees. So, herbs, shrubs, trees. What are these plants and what are their parts? In all the plants, as you know well, they have roots. They absorb the water from the soil through the roots, and the stem, the part of the plant which is above the ground known as stem, and stem having leaves and branches. So look over here. Number one, herbs. Herbs, these are short plants, short small sized plants with green and tender stem. Tender means soft stem. They have soft stem. The grass having soft stem. So these plants having tender stem. Grass, wheat, rice. Stem with few branches. Generally branches are absent, but few branches are there. Few branches. Height, these are short plants and their height less than 1 meter. Height less than 1 meter. And their lifespan is very short also, like the 1 season or 2 seasons. 1 season or 2 seasons. All the crop plants, crop, wheat, rice, maize, right, bajra, millets, all these are included in this category. Tomato, brinjal, grass, these are the herbs. Now, second plant, shrubs. Shrubs, the plants with medium sized plants with a hard stem. They have hard stem. Their stem is hard. We can't uproot them with our hands. They are having strong stem. They are extensively branched near the base. यहाँ बेस से बहुत सारी ब्रांचें होती हैं. बुश, जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं ना, बुश. These are shrubs, and their height about 1 to 3 meter. 1 meter to 3 meter in height. Their lifespan slightly larger, 4 years, 5 years. Rose, bougainvillea, right? Lemon. These are the examples of the shrubs. Now, trees. Two long trees, these are larger in size. Larger in size, they have thick and woody stem. Thick and woody stem, and this thick and woody stem is known as tree trunk. Thick and woody stem is known as tree trunk. These plants, their height more than 3 meter. They are tall and more than 3 meter in height. Branches from base, from sides, no. Branches from the top. Branches from the top. You can imagine, you can look over here. Look with me. Yes. Look. This is the coconut. This is the bottle palm, and in this bottle palm tree branches lower side, no, branches from this side, upper side. As you are looking like this, the mango plant in front of our school. Here, look over here. These are the neem trees. Branches from the top side, upper side. Branches from the upper side. Got it? So these are the trees, and their lifespan many years. Their lifespan many years. 30 years, 50 years, 100 years. Right? Now, along with the herbs, shrubs, and trees, there are two another kind of plants also: climbers and creepers. What do you mean by climbers? And what is these two categories? You know, there are Loki, Gilki, cucumber. These are the plants which have weak stem, and their stem is too weak that the plant unable to stand upright itself. खुद खड़ा नहीं हो सकता. In such kind of the conditions, these two categories of the plants. Number one, climbers. They having tendril. They can stand upright with the help of the support. They stand upright with the help of support. The plants which have weak stem and stand with the help of the support. This support may be bole. This support may be any string, धागा, रस्सी. उससे वो pole, electric poles also. You have seen the plants, they climb up on the poles, on the trees, another support. So such kind of the plants are known as climbers. Example, grapevine, gourd. Gourd plants, bottle gourd, Loki, bitter gourd, Karela, strip gourd, yes, Turai. In this, the gourd family members include in the climbers. Now, creepers. Creepers are also having weak stem, but they do not climb with the support. They move on the ground. They grow upon the ground. Such kind of the plants are known as creepers. And creepers, example, strawberry, muskmelon, kharbuja, watermelon, tarbooj, pumpkin, all kind of the cucumbers. These belong to the creepers. They do not stand up. They do not climb. They grow upon the earth. They grow upon the earth surface, upon the ground. Such kind of the plants are known as creepers. Got it? So it is an activity for you. Collect information from your surrounding. Aspas. This is the rainy season. Many of the plants are grow in your surrounding. Collect their name. Gajar grass, carrot grass इसको हम लोग कहते हैं. ऐसे टाइप से you will collect different kind of the plants that grow in your surrounding and include in which category? Herb, shrub and trees, creepers and climbers. Right? Collect the information.